All my lovely subscribers on YouTube. I just realised all this time I've been posting all these videos about craft shows and I haven't shown you what it is I do for a living. I am a designer. I create children's clothing, tutus, pet clothing, women's clothing. Um, Also what I do is I request, if people send me pictures, then I will create what they have asked me to create, to what they've sent me. So this, for example, is an LOL dress in real life. Somebody said they want an LOL. Let's go back. I personalize t-shirts, baby grows. You can have a tutu in any theme. This is when we met Basil Brush, and even he loved my tutus. He said, she said she looks like a fairy. He said she looks like a fairy. One of the things about the tutus is they can be worn all year. What you can do, you can put a t-shirt underneath it. This one is a summer tutu, so it's had a little liner underneath it. You can put a jumper underneath it in the winter, like my mini me had when she went the Basil Brush. You can have a printed t-shirt. This one had rhinestones all over it. It was Peppa Pig. You choose the theme, you choose the colour. Very sparkly. But yeah, I make tutus for babies, to adults. I do wedding clothing, so this was a wedding order where they wanted African print on their wedding clothes. This was a christening baby dress with rhinestones. There's mermaid tails. I make costumes. I made this costume for Comic-Con, so I made it from scratch. You can have flag skirts in your flag colours. This was a little girl from Great Ormond Street. Her mum sent me a picture of a tutu. It was a basic tutu with basic writing on there. I said, I'm going to make you the best tutu. She absolutely loved it. Had the rhinestones. She couldn't believe it with the bows. What I tend to do is, if you send me a picture of something you want created, I will make it much better. This is one of my free tutu giveaway winners. You can also win a free tutu. Here is the video. I'm also going to post that one in a bit. Oh, where's the volume? So that is my tutu giveaway. You can sign up for that via my website, via Instagram. This was another lady who said she wanted a Moana tutu. She just said she wanted an orange band, but what I did is I put crystal rhinestones. I made the heart of Tafiti. She absolutely loved it. She couldn't believe it. This one was for a baby. This is it in close up. I'll put a link to my Instagram so you can have a look. If there is something that you want created for you, you can just send me a message, let me know. Everybody says, oh, sometimes they come to my store in Dagenham and they're like, oh, where are you going to wear the tutu? This woman said, she said her daughter wouldn't take it off. She was wearing it everywhere. I get so many customers say that to me, so many clients. Yeah, I started this business because these are my two little girls, as you know, and I started from making them beautiful things, and I had so many people saying, oh, we want something beautiful as well, so I just started making them for more people. This is an adult costume. It came with the gloves, not the gloves, sorry, the mask. I made the mask, the cape. There's the mask. The tutu had rhinestones on it. This customer couldn't believe it. She was just like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much. I get so many people saying thank you. This is just going back now. This is the start. This is my website. I won't go all the way down, but I'll send you a link to my Instagram. If there is something that you want created just for you, you can let me know and I will create it just for you. These are mermaid tails. It literally depends. I create everything. I do dance costumes as well. If you scroll on my Instagram, you'll see some dancers and some dance costumes that I have created. This is a christening Holy Communion dress. It is very big. It looks small on the picture, but this is a 3-year-old dress. It is massive. It can be made smaller, it can be made in any colour. If you want any princess theme, like if you want a Disney princess, it can be done. It all depends on what you want. This is a Harley Quinn dress. This Harley, I have to show you. I made the necklace with pudding on it. I made the hair bows. These two are gorgeous hair bows with a gold belt. All of these are designed by myself. I have a passion for creating. Hence why I go to all my crafty shows. This was another rainbow skirt. This is my Supergirl. These are my unisex jumpers with sequin angel. Pony unicorn dress that I made. Again, designed by me with a sweetheart neckline. The unicorn pony. And yeah, so another dress which made me think of even filming this. I got sent a basic rainbow dash tutu. And I created this. So it has a sequin top, again with a sweetheart neckline. It's got blue lace going across it. It's got the rainbow dash. It has got sleeves on it. I didn't know, there's two different ways I do my sleeves, but this one I decided to do it pink to match because the little girl wanted a bit more pink. And yeah, and I put a bow on the top. I've got loads of different bows that can be created with it. So this is a 2-layer dress, but this one's for a little girl, so I didn't want to make it too puffy because she's quite small. But I can make dresses very, very puffy. It all depends on what you want created. So now you know what I do. If you want something personalized for you, as I said, there's no way I can post literally everything on my Instagram because I just don't have the time. But this is a crystal dress. Yeah, customers left a message. I've got a reply. This one is a very, very, very puffy dress. Yeah, it all depends on what you want. This one was for Janaea with her name on it. It can all be customized towards whatever you want created. Then I do the weddings, christenings, parties. This, I've just finished making this baby dress. I'm going to have to show you that in a bit. I'll probably post it in another video. Oh, this was one of the little girls wearing her LOL dress. So her mum saw her, well, her godmother saw it, and she was like, I want it, I want it. So I had to quickly adjust it, put another bow on the back so it would fit her because it was smaller. So I adjusted it for her. She couldn't believe it. She was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. But yeah, basically the aim of my company is to provide you, this was a bag, whatever you want created for you. When I first had my daughter, I couldn't find some of the things I wanted for her. So I decorated her buggy, I would decorate all her clothes. And it basically started from there. So this company is born out of a passion of creating things that you can't find anywhere. So if there's something that you want created for you, you could just let me know. Follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram, Vaealee London. I've got my website. I mostly post the pictures on Instagram. But if there's something you want created for you, let me know and I will create it just for you. And this is a mermaid with it. Look at the pearls going around the back. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, let me know and I can create you a bespoke, customized creation. As I said, I do the t-shirt, so if you want a t-shirt for your hubby or your son, it can be done. It's not just girly and lady products. At Vaealee, we're a family-run business. It looks like it's just me that's doing everything, but it's not. It's my family and my friends who help me as well. But I'm just the face of Vaealee, as well as my 2 daughters are the face as well. Follow me on Instagram, and Facebook, and yeah, I shall see you soon. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day, and I shall be going to some more events soon. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, just been so busy. But yeah, this is some of what I do. So stay tuned.